वृंदावन होली और भक्ति के बहुत सारे रंग। कुछ फॉरेनर्स लोग हैं जो वृंदावन की होली का आनंद लेने के लिए आए हैं। इनसे पूछते हैं, हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Nitya Sri.
नीति, so where you came from?
We're coming from Barcelona, from Spain.
Barcelona. And your name?
Pavitra.
Pavitra. This is an Indian name.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Very nice name. So Pavitra and Neni, tell me, how was the experience in Vrindavan? And you have seen a lot of people here with the color. So have you seen earlier this also?
We like it very much here. We think that it's very special. We also went to Mathura and Nandgaon, and we love the vibes, we love the people, we love everything.
And you, Pavitra?
Same.
So what do you want to say about, like, in Barcelona? Have you seen something like this? Such a big crowd. People are with colors, you know. They're just enjoying with the color.
We recommend everyone that must come to India and try to live the Holi with kind of
Respect.
yeah,
faith,
respect.
Yeah.
But yes, you shall come.
Do you know something about Lord Krishna and Radha? Because you are in Vrindavan, so we have to speak about them.
Yes.
Do you know about them?
Yes.
What do you know about Krishna and Radha?
The Lord Krishna and Radha, the consort of Krishna.
Any mantra, any Hindi song, any Hindi bhajan, if you know something, if you can sing for our viewer.
No, I'm not a good singer.
Hare Krishna Mahamantra, if you know.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sing.
No.
Alright, so we have, what's your good name?
Samantha.
Sorry?
Samantha.
Samantha, where are you coming from?
From California.
From California. So how is the experience here in Vrindavan?
We just got here today, so this has been our experience.
So when you landed here, when you entered in the Vrindavan, you have seen a lot of people with color. You must have seen that. So, you can see me as well. He's right. So now, have you seen earlier this in something like this in California?
Yeah, we actually have Holi festivals in California, like around universities. It's very popular, so I've seen it in that setting, but I've never participated. So
You know something about Lord Krishna, Vrindavan or Mathura?
I don't know much. I'm excited to learn more.
Very excited.
Yeah.
You want to say something for your foreign California friends? They should come here in India for Holi.
Yeah, come see what it's about.
All right.
Yeah.
So where are you from?
I'm from England, Liverpool.
Oh my God, England. Okay. So how was the experience here in Vrindavan?
Fantastic, I'm loving it. I've been here 4 days. Beautiful place, beautiful people.
Where have you been till now?
First place was here. Going from here to Mathura, Agra, Jodhpur, Varanasi.
Nandgaon also. So what you have seen in Nandgaon?
What did you say?
We saw Latmar Holi there.
Have you seen Latmar Holi?
Fantastic. Yeah,
Do you
beautiful.
want to say something for your Liverpool friends, all the people?
Peace, peace and love. Beautiful country. Get yourself to India.
All right. Thank you so much. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Thank